Perfecto. Alright guys, again, if you have any comments, suggestions, or anything, let me know. So now I'm going to deal with taking this whole thing off because I have the new one there, and I'm going to have to, I guess, route this through somehow. So let me take the window. It's my first time taking the window. I got this Jeep was I think it was like almost winter time or ending of summer. I didn't get to use it. I had to do some stuff to it. I've like I said earlier, I had to take care of the alternator. All right, this is that's no good. So let's see. So well, I guess once I take this off, I'll be able to see how I'm going to snake this through. So probably I'll have to figure this out. I'll be back. So, alright, so now I understand that this is original to the vehicle, so that's why there's no Velcro here to pull it apart. So basically I have to cut it out to release it, and then I can take the frame out and attach it to my new door top. So let me see. I want to loosen this so it'll. Oh, I don't need to loosen anything. It pops right up. Whoops! Look at that. I thought I needed to do it, but I don't. You know, all my other Jeeps I had full doors. I didn't have half doors, so this is new to me. But you live and learn, right? So that pops right out. So what I'm gonna do is just cut it because it's old. It's no good. This feels strange, but that's what you gotta do. Cut it all the way. I guess it can feel satisfying as well. Alright, so there's a frame. I'm gonna cut over here. So show the frame as well. Make sure you don't cut yourself. Be very mindful of how you're cutting it. So all this in here. Alright. And then this is going to cut through to the bar. So that can be released, and I'm going to cut down here. To get this free, so the connection, and I'm leaving it on the door because this is giving me leverage. I don't want to start doing this cutting if I hit it flat. You know, this is going to move around because you need some force. So leave it in the door where you cut it. So that's very important. That's my suggestion to you. Leave it in the door and continue to cut through. So now this will be exposed. You start to see it exposed. So I'm going to cut all the way around. You know, it's kind of interesting. I'm looking at it like, oh man, I'm destroying it, but it's no good anyway. So this is what you got to do. Get rid of the old to allow the new to come into your life. So, you know, look at it that way. Okay, and then this bar is already out. This is good. This is good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel it now and see if I got everything. I think so. So you guys saw the pattern I did. Let me get this up here. Okay. So, boom. So you peel the top off. And look at that. Nice and easy. So I have the doors that I'm going to replace. The replacement doors are in the sun. All right, look at that. Then this should slide down just like that. And you should be left with the frame. Here we go. And that's the frame that we have left. That's interesting, actually. I wouldn't mind rocking it like this too. It's interesting. Alright, so that's one down. One to go. Make sure you continue to like and subscribe. I'm gonna cut this side as well. I'll probably put the doors last. I'll let them really stay in the sun back there, so I don't have any problems. So again, this one, same thing. I'll see if I could release the tension on this window. And boom, raise it out like that. Perfect. This window is pretty good, you know, but it's you know, of no use. I need to replace this. So again, come across. Same thing. Make sure you have a sharp knife. And it's just like that. So same thing I did to the other side. Again, be careful. Okay. Perfect. Come up. Well, actually, I'm going to go down. So all the way around, and staying around the edge, so I can always push this over. So now that I've done it, I have an idea of what I'm doing on this side. So it's going to be a lot easier and thorough here. Cutting it across. I'm just going to cut through here. And make sure this is lifted up. Well, this will come off and then once I peel it back. So let's start with this. Peel the side, top. I open the window to release any tension. Alright, so this is a little tight here because this window was in pretty good condition. So once I peel it down, then it peels back like that, opens up the bar. See the pattern I used to open the bar up. I'm going to push this down some to release it. So the way I'm pushing it now is going to be released under. Pull that down to release. Pull the window out, and just like that. Yeah, this is kind of cool, the rugged look. I'll see. And again with the frame, just kind of rock it back and forth, up and down. I'm gonna leave it on there for now. This one has a little